Sometimes with that rush, but that can only happen on the Polar Express. That's the sound of a train. But that's the way it's happening on the Polar Express. That's the sound of a singing. You can be our guest. Here we only got one rule, never ever let it cool. Keep it cooking in the pot.
We got it!
Yes, we did. Make a wish.
On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets.
Got her eyes closed tight.
Yeah, you feel me.
Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes.
I breathed slowly
Watch your
and silently.
eyes closed real tight, man. Okay.
I was listening for a sound.
Thank you.
A sound a friend had told me.
Family.
Why, to the North Pole, of course,
Wow.
was his answer. This is the Polar Express.
Hey.
I took his outstretched hand, and he pulled me aboard. The train was filled with other children, all in their pajamas and nightgowns. Faster and faster we ran along, rolling over peaks and through valleys, like a car on a roller coaster. The mountains turned into hills, the hills to snow-covered plains. We crossed a barren desert of ice. The great polar ice king will choose one of you. "Look!" shouted one of the children. "The elves!" Outside we saw hundreds of elves. As our train drew closer to the center of the North Pole, we slowed to a crawl, so crowded were the streets with Santa's helpers. When the Polar Express could go no farther, we stopped, and the conductor led us outside. We pressed through the crowd to the edge of a large open circle. In front of us stood Santa's sleigh. The reindeer were excited. They pranced and paced, ringing the silver sleigh bells that hung from their harnesses. It was a magical sound, like nothing I'd ever heard. Across the circle, the elves moved apart, and Santa Claus appeared. The elves cheered wildly. He marched over to us and, pointing to me, said, "Let's have this fellow here." He jumped into his sleigh. The conductor handed me up. I sat on Santa's knee and he asked, "Now, what would you like for Christmas?" I knew that I could have any gift I could imagine. But the thing I wanted most for Christmas was not inside Santa's giant bag. What I wanted more than anything was one silver bell from Santa's sleigh.
Emily's got it there.
When I asked,
Oh God, you're going to
Santa
make
smiled.
You keep
He gave me a hug and told an elf to cut a bell from the reindeer's harness.
You got 4.
The elf
Oh, Emily, look! What do you say? Big smile for Santa? What do you say? Thank you. Shake hands.
There you are. Shake hands and pass
Hey.
Right, okay. Keep believing.
You've got your own bell.
I believe.